inside because this is what's going on, and you can see we could do it. We got the lighting kit going inside this beautiful car right here where he has the lights lighting up on his dash. If you need it done, 30 North Beltline Road, we got it installed for a beautiful charger that can be coming out the door right now. Again, man, it actually looks really beautiful. Shut it off real quick so they can see what it was glowing. That's off. That's on, man. And you can tell, man, it's a beautiful thing to have installed. It got in the center console and everything. And so come check us out here at 1230 North Beltline Road. We'll get it done. Oh, y'all, so we at the shop, man, and something just happened. Drew just took a bottle, hit the cap, and almost hit our client in the face. I told my client to smack the shit out of him. And Drew saying that if he smacks him, Drew could have smacked me. So I said, turn on the camera, let's vlog this. Come on. I want to see this happen. It's going to be an instant replay. All right, bro, I'm ready. We're going to do it. I'm ready. Come on, we're going to do it. Bro, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. I'm ready. Bro, we're going to do it. Look, you got to do it. You have to do it. I'm ready. Bro, get your eyes close to this. I'm ready. Smack him in the face. Smack him, whatever you want, however you feel. See, when he's a big boy, see, when he's a big old boy, you can literally just, hey, almost want to you don't have to smack him in the face, you can smack him on the fat and it hurts more. To be continued, y'all. This boy, he'd be like, bro, disrespectful like a mother. You talk about shit. I know. You don't do nothing about it. I know. Why you talk so much shit? Because it's America. You know, I'm really tired of this shit. Oh, you want,
Did that shit too early.
Man, now.
Light his ass up.
I bought this for you. But this is Drew Talks Back Gun.
Okay, I'm not talking back no.
Whenever you talk back, you're gonna fuck on the floor and you're gonna pay for it. The next time you talk back, this is what you're gonna get.
The BB gun.
I bought it just for you. Alright, y'all, so we're here at the car wash getting the AUDIOZONE cleaned up. We're gonna go out to a car meet tonight. Headed to a great gentleman here owns that beautiful CTSB over there. Huh? Jefe. He's a Jefe. He's the boss, man. He's that Jeff? I'm Jeff too. How about that? So Jeff drives fast cars. That's all I'm gonna say. He has a CTSB, and my son's over there with his Mustang. You can see right behind us over there. So we're just talking, having fun, and we decided to go do a little run in Mexico between the Mustang and the CTSB.
Little Mexico, Grand Prairie.
Little Mexico. We can't, I don't specify too much. I don't want the cops and everything we're doing, but we're going out to Little Mexico to go have some fun with the two cars. We'll keep you posted in a few minutes and see what happens as the Audiofox goes against the CTSB. It's going to be a great run. I know for a fact, me knowing the car, I think that one in high end is definitely going to be out on them, but again, it's going to come. I don't know how El Jefe drives here, so driving is very important. I always say that 1,000 times, and you've seen on my videos all the time. Driving is the most important thing you have in the car. You can have a fast car, but if you can't drive it, you got nothing. So we're about to see what goes on. We'll be posted in a few minutes. All right, guys, so we're driving out to Little Mexico real quick to go get this thing situated. We're actually next to an ambulance. We're trying to drive out there, man, but we're driving out to Mexico right now to go get this race done between the CTSB that has 550 horsepower versus Isaac's stock Mustang. We're gonna get to see what happens. I mean, I know my son's a great dig driver. He could definitely get the car off the light and get it first, second, third, which is good. I believe in top end, the CTS, depending on how far back, if he's far back at that point in time, should be able to come by. But I don't know this guy's driving ability with his car. So it really goes to being a driver's race. You know, I'm cruise crew all day, so I'm rooting for my son to put it on him. But we're about to get out of here and basically get to this place where we can see this race happen and see exactly what's gonna happen, y'all. So we'll be posting in a few seconds. We're getting here to Mexico right now. We're gonna line these cars up side by side and see them go at it between Isaac and the 5.0 versus the CTSV. That license plate is a void. So we'll see what happens here as we get ready to get this bull done, man. I'm excited to see what's gonna happen. We're about to see what's gonna happen, and we'll get this guy going. So just stay posted for a few. Let's get it lined up and let's get them going. What the fuck is he doing?
The speed limit is 45 miles per hour.
off with no beeps or no nothing. So we're about to find out what's happening. Let me give him the rules and regulations so you know how this shit works. He's a little happy right now, but let's see what happens. They're gonna go for the next round. They're gonna go for the next round. I'm gonna let them go in front of us. Let them go in front. Let them go in front. Y'all can go in front. I'm gonna let y'all go. Ready? 1, 2, all the way down the track. We were going first and second gear spinning. You know I'll fly right by him. Look at the last one, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes people feel a little bad. I know he's feeling bad. He's getting beat by a stock 5.0. He's actually feeling it. Go, screw! Look at that smile, y'all. Y'all don't see it too often, but look at that smile. Let's see that smile. No smile? Oh, yo, I'm done with him. You want to go again? I'm gonna let you do one more time and we out. We're gonna go for one more run, y'all, and see what happened between the CTSV and him. Obviously, me, I fly by both of them, but that's not even the point. The point is that they're having fun. I know Isaac's having fun. It's a controlled environment. We're in Mexico, and I know that they're enjoying themselves. So I'm gonna let them do their thing and have fun, man, as they do the last race, and let's just see what happens on this race.
Warming up his tires.
Yeah, but he's like, I'm done with this guy. I'm done with this guy. This guy's, I'm really done with this guy. Look at the guy. Look where he's at. He can warm the tire, went down the track. Like, what is it? Who, me and you? I'm spinning a lot. I'm spinning a lot. It doesn't matter. I fly right by you. We got that. It's just 1, 2, 3. I'm spinning a lot, but I'll run you.